Popping a balloon makes us smile or shocks on our faces. But can you skewer a balloon without popping it? Well, this is a science. Let's look some experiments with me. Myself, Ravneet Kaur, I am a student of class 12 in Government Victoria Girls Senior Secondary School, Patiala. Today I will show some experiments just with balloons. So let's get started. So here I have taken the air balloon. When I put it on a flame, it bursts. So on the other hand, I take the balloon filled with air and water. So when I put it on a flame from a same height, we can see the balloon is not bursting. The reason behind this is that the high specific heat of the water. Due to the high specific heat of the water absorbs lot of heat and doesn't heat itself and does not allow the balloon to heat, thereby preventing the balloon from bursting. We can also use the concept of specific heat in the hot water bottles, or we pour a water in the radiator of car to keep the engine of vehicle cool. Apart from this, some magicians put a wet cloth on head and set a fire on it and make a tea on the head. Wow, it's a magic. No, it's not a magic. There is a science behind this. The reason behind this is that the upper wet cloth doesn't allow the upper heat to reach to the head due to the high specific heat of the water, because of which all this happens. We can also explain the lung capacity by the use of balloon. The children who inflate a larger balloon within one breath have a more lung capacity. Now I will explain the concept of center of mass with the help of balloons. So here I have taken the balloon filled with air and water. When I try to topple it, it does not fall from its place because the water is at the bottom. Due to its center of mass near the bottom, it is stable. Well, on the other hand, when I tap air balloon lightly, it gets toppled. In this way, we can use the concept of center of mass in the ships. Very heavy weights are placed at the bottom of ships so that it does not topple down in the water due to its high height. One more to add, when we go for traveling in a taxi or a car, we used to put our luggage on the roof of car, which is totally wrong. By placing the luggage on the roof of car or a taxi, the center of mass shifts upside, due to which the vehicle can easily overturn by taking even a small turn. We can also explain the COVID infection transmission with the balloons. Just like when child inflate a balloon and it goes to another child and it bursts. This lively particle will also go to him or her with the air and he or she may get infected. Apart from this, the sound is produced by the vibration of membrane as it is in our larynx. Also we can explain the air exerts pressure. When we fill the balloon with air, it inflates and it exerts pressure. Now I will explain the Bernoulli's principle with the help of balloons. So here I have taken the balloons and hung them with the fine threads. And now I am going to blow in this gap. And we will see when I blow, these balloons will come closer to each other or move away. Let's do it. They are coming close to each other or they are sticking to each other. The reason behind this is that when I blow in this gap, the air particles between this moved away and the low pressure air is created in this gap. And the pressure created in this gap is less than the pressure these sides of the balloons have. So the two balloons drawn from high pressure area to the low pressure area. This is how we can explain the Bernoulli's principle. Hope you enjoyed my experiments. Thank you so much.